In this video, we are looking at quadratic equations, and I'm going to narrow it down. We are going to look at factorization. How do we factorize a quadratic equation or expression, whichever you are given, okay? And I'll be using a quadratic expression, and I can use this example here, okay, for us to be able to understand how we do it. I'll use this example: 6x squared plus 14x minus 12. Okay, for us to be able to factorize this, we have what we call the product sum rule. Okay, so when we talk of the product, okay, we get the product of a and x, and c rather, not x. Then this sum will always be giving us the middle number. Okay, the sum will be getting the sum. When we sum the factors of the numbers of AC, it will give us the middle number, or B. This one is usually known as B because quadratic equations or expressions is AX plus BX plus C. So AC, the factors of AC should give me a sum of B. Okay, so if I take AC, in this case it is 6 times negative 12. 6 times negative 12, you get negative 72. Okay, so coming to negative 72, I look for the factors of negative 72. When added, can give me 14. Okay, I have several factors of 72, like I have 36 and 2, but if I do anything to them, I can't get 14. The other factor I can have is 9 and 8. Okay, 9 and 8, no matter what I do to them, I can't get 14. Okay, then I still have another factor, 18 and 4. This looks like there's something I can do to 18 and 4 to give me positive 14, right? When I take 18 minus 4, okay? So that becomes the pair factor that I use here, 18 and negative 4, okay? When I multiply the two, I get negative 72. When I add them, I get 14, okay? And since we just said 18 minus 4 gives me 14, I'll replace it there. Instead of using 14, I replace it. Reason why we are replacing it is for us to be able to factorize a quadratic expression, we need to ensure we have 4 terms so that they can easily be paired up, okay? So I'll have 6x squared plus 18x minus 4x minus 12. Group them into 2. So once they are grouped into 2, now what is the common factor in the first bracket? As you can see, 6x is common. 6x. So when you factor out, what do you remain? X plus 3. In the second bracket, the common factor is negative 4. So whenever we are factoring out a negative, it affects the sign inside that bracket. So you'll have x. This is like taking negative 12 divided by negative 4. That gives positive 3. Okay? So we have 6x minus 4x plus 3. Okay? So that is how we factorize quadratic expressions. So this is the one where the a had a number, but we can have some questions which don't have a number in position of a. Like, you can have another example. This is example 2, a quadratic expression like x squared plus 3x minus 28. Remember, we say the first thing we get is AC. Our A is 1 and our C is negative 28. So we get the factors of negative 28. What are the factors of negative 28? You know, we have 14 and 2. Is there anything we can do to 14 and 2 to give me 3? No. So we leave it. Okay, we move to 4 and 7. Is there something we can do to find 7? Yes. When you take 7 minus 4, it will be positive 3. So those are the factors we use, negative 4 and 7. So we have x squared plus 3, oh sorry, not plus 3x, but at this point now we replace with the terms the factors we just got, minus 4x plus 7x minus 28. Do the same thing, group them into 2. So we'll have x in the first bracket, which is x minus 4, plus the common factor in the second bracket is 7, we remain with x minus 4. Factors outside the bracket, we put them in one bracket, x plus 7. Then since the other two are similar, we only pick one of them, and we've factorized that. Okay? Yeah.